Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has assured that the state government will fulfill all the promises given in the manifesto during the election campaign in the next 5 years. The Griha Jyoti scheme is one of the 5 poll guarantees of the Congress party, which promises to provide up to 200 units of free power to households in the state. Formally launching the scheme by handing over the zero bill to 10 people symbolically, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Congress National President Mallikarjun Kharge targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi for accusing the ruling Congress of emptying state coffers for selfish interests through populist announcements. With the launch of Griha Jyoti, the state government has implemented 3 of the 5 poll guarantees so far, the other 2 being Shakti by providing free services for women in public transport buses and Anna Bhagya scheme by payment of cash in lieu of the additional 5 kg rice to beneficiaries. We had promised to provide up to 200 units of free power. There are 2.14 crore consumers eligible under Griha Jyoti and 1.42 crore households have registered. The scheme has come into effect on July 1st, as the bill for July electricity consumption will come in the beginning of August. It is being formally launched today, Siddaramaiah said. The benefit under the Griha Jyoti scheme is calculated based on average consumption for financial year 2022-23 plus 10% additional, but total amounting to less than 200 units. Asserting that there will be a Karnataka model of development, Siddaramaiah said that along with implementing 5 poll guarantees, his government will implement 76 promises as announced in the budget and challenged the BJP to implement the guarantees across the country in all states if it has the guts. We will fulfill all the promises made in our manifesto. There is no need to have any doubts about it. The opposition is spreading false information that it is not possible to implement 5 guarantees. Even the Prime Minister of the country has said in Pune that if the guarantees are implemented, Karnataka will face economic bankruptcy, he said. I want to tell Narendra Modi that we will implement the 5 guarantees. We have provided money for it in the budget. Karnataka is not bankrupt. It is in fact Narendra Modi who has made this country bankrupt, not us, he said, alleging that during 3 years and 10 months of BJP rule, the state was looted and there was maladministration. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, also Ministers K.J. George, Priyank Kharge, Sharan Prakash Patil, Ishwar Khandre, among others, were present at the event. There is a talk across the country regarding the Congress government's 5 guarantee scheme, Mallikarjun Kharge said. One after the other, they are being implemented as they are not just bogus announcements. Congress always walks the talk, while Prime Minister Modi, who had promised to generate 2 crore jobs and deposit rupees 15 lakh in every bank account, has not kept up his promises. Hitting out at Modi for criticizing the Karnataka government's guarantee scheme and claiming that the state was being led towards bankruptcy at a function in Pune recently, the AICC chief said, fearing consequences in parliamentary polls on praising the good work of the state government, the PM is making such allegations. Speaking at his home turf of Kalaburagi, from where he lost 2019 Lok Sabha polls, Kharge said, if this country has to be saved, Congress will have to come to power. India Alliance parties will have to come to power in the parliament. The leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha also urged the government and CM to pay attention to the development of the Kalyan Karnataka region, which is considered to be the backward region of the state with respect to infrastructure like schools, hospitals, roads, among others, and to ensure that programs and projects reach the people there. Pointing out that so far 1.42 crore households have registered under the Griha Jyoti scheme, Energy Minister K.J. George said, this is not a free scheme, it is to improve the financial condition of the people in distress.